Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Hekexin. 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 Christmas lights for outdoor use. We have here 16 tubes, 40 centimeter, 576 LEDs, and a nicing light. It's a chain for outside use and indoor if you like. It's waterproof, falling rain lights for the Christmas decoration or for the Halloween party, for a festival, and an all-year decoration. In white. It's also in cool white or warm white on the market. This ice slice light chain for outside contains 16 tubes, 36 LEDs per tube, and a total of 576 LEDs that provides a wonderful glitter effect. Each LED lights up on and after the other and goes out like lively meteor showers, falling snow, what illuminates our night, magical and romantic. I can see Christmas decoration for the outside of the brighter lightning and a longer, of course, really nice looking, lasting performance. With 16 tubes, over 570 LEDs on the both sides. More LEDs are included for 360 degrees lighting. The tube lengths are 40 centimeter. The brighter, longer tubes and more LEDs creates the ultimate freezing rain effect for our outdoor Christmas decoration. Dust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and aging-resistant for a long-lasting look. The improved thickened tube is made of high-quality transparent PC materials and provides a clear, white glow. Thanks to the IP65 waterproof rating, this light are resistant against rain and snow, and therefore it is for the outdoor use, of course. The light chains are equipped with a secure plug, and that's nice for a socket. These lights can be used individually or connected to each other. They can be easily connected end to end. Up to 2 fairy lights can be connected to expand the decoration area according to our wishes. This is a perfect gift for family, lover, friends, and children. The isolating light chain for the light illumination is delivered with a 3-meter long cable, so we can let our creativity run wild and decorate wherever we want. The meteor shower lights gives any place a festival atmosphere. The bright and warm meteor shower lights are a great decoration for a variety of indoor and outdoor scenes. Perfect for Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, weddings, birthdays, parties as well. And of course any other occasion or celebration. They are also ideal for decorating the indoor and outdoor homes, courtyards, lawn, parks, and streets, and are compatible with the beautification and lighting. Added an UV certification with 7-volt low voltage power supply. That's lower than the human safety voltage, ensures a safe use and no risk of electric shock. The LED lamps breeds are energy saving, and energy saving is nice. We do not overheat after prolonged use, and there is no risk of fire with that. Really nice looking, that really cool festival Christmas decoration. This is the Hekexin Christmas lights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. That's all.